Gold and silver traded with swings and largely stayed bearish. We have seen gold hitting the highs at 3708 levels here. If you recall, we have discussed this several times that beyond 3680 it is 37810 which it should achieve. Now hitting the highs, we have seen a sharp reversal and it has come down towards the support zone at 3640-50 zone. Can we expect metals to trade bearish here? Can we expect silver to slide below 41? Can we expect gold to trade towards 3600 mark? Or this is going to rally again today? What should be our strategy in order to profit trading gold and silver today? We're gonna see here with the help of charts and indicators. This is the first update for the day, and this is the only channel to deliver twice a day updates. The next one will be released before the US session. Subscribe, press the bell icon to get the notifications. Yes friends, 2 updates a day so that you can profit across Asia, Europe, US sessions. Join the free Telegram channel for live market updates. Join the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the effort. And friend, your every like, comment, and share is a great motivation for me to deliver consistently to the best of my abilities. Let's start. First, we look into gold, followed with silver. Watch till. First, gold on the early charts. You can see hitting the highs. You have seen a sharp dump at the same candle. Moving averages crossing over here. Certainly, it's a bearish sign. And now this is the zone which gold needs to trade beyond in order to confirm a reversal 3670-72. Yes, if you see it is staying above 3670-72, that should be a good position for us to take a buy, but then you can only expect 3680 and see what it is trying to do. Look at the formation: drop, retracement, drop, retracement, drop, retracement. So largely it is staying in this channel here. The highs could be somewhere here at around 3680, 3690 zone. Only reversal confirmation in gold is if you see it is staying beyond 3690. As long as it stays below 3690, do not treat this as bullish. That is pretty clear. Look at the last few candles. You can see swings here. I will wait for a breakout. If you see it is staying below 3654. Now see double bottom here. So this is going to be crucial. It has to now trade below 3646. 3648 zone. If at all gold trades below 3646.48, we can see it trading all the way now towards 3636 and 3630 zone. This is the zone now which gold has to trade below in order to confirm a greater down move here. Stochastic comfortably placed, RSI comfortably, and the MACD is trading still bearish here. Coming to on the 2 hour charts, notice retracement, lower highs, taking a direction here. Possibly this might continue here for the downside. I'll wait for 3646.48 zone to be taken, below which you can expect it to move towards 3636.38, 3630 levels, and below that it is going to move all the way towards 3620, the stronger support zone. Now see, if you look at the move here, this was the consolidation, then this breakout has appeared. Now it is still delivering higher lows and higher highs here. So it is very crucial for gold to trade below 3640, 3630 zone, and then specifically below 3620 it is going to confirm a greater reversal here. Stochastic rising from the bottom while the MACD is bearish and the RSI is also suggesting a slight bearishness here. On the 3 hour charts, and you look, see what is happening here. The 50 period is offering it a very good support. Also, if you look at the preceding two candles, comes with lower highs and higher lows. This is zone of consolidation. It has to now trade below 3646.48 in order to confirm greater downside here. In fact, you can sell at 3654 itself, but then you have to be cautious of 3646.48, below which you can expect 3638 and then 3630 mark. And if it trades below this, 3620 is certain. So now you know the levels. The moving average is 5 and 20 period crossing over here, indicating of slight bearishness. Stochastic at bottom, the MACD bearish, the RSI is almost flat. Coming to the 4 hour. On the 4 hour charts, notice the single candle drop, swing here rather. Double bottom is seen, a slight retracement. Now see, if you look at these three candles, you can see higher lows are seen. Price can still bounce back and reverse. Though it is difficult, but yes, it can still bounce back and reverse. But right now I can see a greater pull on the downside. And as in how it trades lower, the bearishness is going to increase. You can see similar size of candle coming in, which might take it in fact lower. In fact, can take it below 3630, 3620 zone. But we have to wait for a breakout move here. Stochastic at bottom, the MACD trading sharply bearish, the RSI is bearish here. Coming to daily, look at the daily charts, higher highs, higher lows. See, still staying in this channel. Very, very important for gold to trade below this zone, 3640, 3630 zone. And then there is a greater wide space on the downside for it to travel. Yes, 3580 is the 20 period moving average which it may try to achieve. But notice the 5 period moving average so far has offered a very good support here for gold for the last multiple sessions. Since the breakout here at 3380, we have seen a greater move and price is hardly closed. It is rather not closed below 5 period moving average. Today's move is going to be very important. It could show you a greater pull here. Stochastic looking down, the MACD after a good rise, it is on the verge of a crossover. RSI was extremely overbought, trying to show a pull down here. So considering this now, where you should buy, and before I give you, and where you should sell, before I give you the trading levels, if you are willing to learn this art of trading, do not miss to join the mentorship batch. Current batch started this week, and in fact, even if you participate in the current batch, you can still take as many live classes in the next few batches. If you want to re-attend, you will also get the recordings, and you will be part of our students channel. Yes, where we discuss all the trends and topics of your interest. Do join it today and enjoy the benefits. Reach out to me for details. My Telegram and email IDs are there in the channel and video description. If you just want to trade as per the signals, be a part of my signals channel on Telegram. Connect with me, write an email, ping me or Telegram. And those looking forward to a trusted partner, which offers you a swap-free account with lowest spreads and no hidden charges, easier transactions and easier withdrawals from across the globe, you can find the recommended broker link also in the channel and video description. So first is where you should buy. You can in fact place a buy at 3666. Expect 3671, 72 as the first target zone. 36, 78, 80 as the next target zone. If at all gold trades beyond 3680, you can stay bullish from here. We can expect a good rise all the way towards 3690, and then we will look forward to 3708, 3710 zone again. And breaking this is where you can see a greater move on the upside. Chances are less though. Now let's have a look where you can sell. You can in fact place a sell at 36 56 54 zone. You can sell here, expect 36 48 46. First target 36 36 38, the next target, and if this is taken then 3630. Below 3630 we can see aggressive bearishness here. 3620 has to be there and 3600 has to be there. In fact 3580 cannot be denied. Below 3580 we can see a greater slide. Trade accordingly. Let's move to silver. Silver had shown a massive move yesterday, hitting all the way towards 4110 levels here, and since then it is staying in zone. Drop retracement, lower highs here, higher lows here, consolidation happening. You have to wait for it to trade now below 41.30, $41 zone. Any drop below 41 is a clear confirmation. Is a clear confirmation that now silver prices would like to achieve 40.50, 40.40 levels very soon, if not today. The crossover on the moving averages is on the sell side. This is going to be a greater resistance zone, and that is why till 42 you have to be cautious with the buy. See, yesterday at this point I had mentioned once it trades beyond 41.40, 41.50, you can expect 42, 42.20. But do not treat this as bullish till 42, 42.20. It could reverse. The same it is behaved here. Stochastic at bottom, the MACD at bottom, the RSI almost flat. Look at the 2-hour chart. Similar observation on the 2-hour charts. Notice higher lows here, lower highs here. Moving average is crossing over here till 42, 42.20 is not taken. Do not treat this as bullish. Also, the preceding two candles are of interest. See retracement and then the reversal. So now even if you see it is staying below 41.40, you can take a sell here. Expect it to move towards 41.20, 41. Below 41 is where the bears are waiting. Keep a note of this. Stochastic bearish, MACD bearish, RSI looking downwards. On the 3-hour, similar observation on the 3-hour charts, lower highs are seen. Since this single pullback candle, we have seen the price is staying in the zone here. Very important for silver to come out of the zone. Else, it is right now neither to be considered bearish nor bullish. Though the moving averages are looking downwards, but not yet confirming a complete reversal. Stochastic has cooled down. The MACD and RSI both are suggestive of further downside. Look at 4-hour charts. What has happened here? Likewise on the 4-hour chart, see here, this is important. Red, green, and then it is trying to show a pull down here. We have to wait for it to trade below 41.20, $41 zone, which should be a maximum support zone here. And below that, it is going to move all the way towards 40.50, 40.40. But right now, I'll say that see this, connect the lows and the highs here. You can see multiple attempts here to kiss this trend line, and it is definitely shown a bounce back from these levels. Hence, you have to be cautious at the current levels. Stochastic rising, MACD bearish, RSI bearish here. Coming to daily, On the daily charts, after a while now the price is trading below the 5 period here, and in fact it appears to be approaching towards 20 and 50 period. Today's move is going to be interesting and critical at the same time. We have to wait for silver to trade below 41. That is the mark which will confirm the next move towards 40, 40, 40, 50, the next support zone here. And if it does break that, that should be the reversal confirmation. Stochastic bearish, MACD after a good rise, it is on the verge of a crossover. Again, a bearish sign. RSI has dropped as well. So looking at this, where you should buy, see, first thing is I will only now recommend you to buy if you see silver staying beyond 41.65 levels, expect 41.85 and then 42. Beyond 42 is where you can expect slight bullishness towards 42.20, 42.30. If this is taken, then it's a reversal. Stay bullish for 42.60 and $43 levels here, chances of which appears to be less. On the downside, I will say you can take a sell at 41.40 levels itself. When you see silver below 41.40, when you see the higher price below 41.40, take a sell for 41.20 and then 41. If at all this complete zone is crucial for silver, if at all it trades below 41, chances will be high that 40.50, 40.40 zone should be there very soon. Take your trades and positions accordingly. Like, share, subscribe, and comment. Join my mentorship batch, join my signals channel, reach out to me for your queries. Join the free Telegram channel for live market updates, and join the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the effort. Thank you. Have a great profitable trading day ahead. See you again before the US session with more updates. Do watch that as well. Thank you.